Hello there! In today's video we will take a look at Apollo Solar Technology's new warranty system. We have upgraded the system to allow for a more streamlined warranty registration process and improve the user experience for our customers. Allow me to guide you through the new warranty registration process. Before we begin the process, please ensure that you have the following. 1. A PC with access to the internet and your email. 2. Your installed system invoice and information that shows the type of system you have installed, any additional accessories installed, installation date, installer details and serial number of your system, and lastly, pictures of your installation. Let's begin. Visit our website and scroll down to register your product warranty. Click on the Register button and it will take you to our new system. Or you can visit the warranty registration page using the QR code or the link in the video description. If you have previously started the warranty registration process and already gotten an email, please press the purple button that says, "Click here" if you already have started and have received an email to continue your registration. If this is your first time registering, please click on the "I agree" checkbox and press Start to begin. We understand how important your privacy is and will protect your personal information. By providing your personal information, you are agreeing that we may process it to furnish you with the registration of your warranty. Fill in all your personal details such as your name and surname, your contact details, installation address, and the number of inhabitants, which allows us to get a better understanding of the number of people in your household. At the end, type in the values that you see for security purposes. Then click the button that says Save Details and Next Step. A verification email will be sent to the email you have provided that will include your application reference as well as a link to continue with the registration process. Copy the application reference or note it down as you will need it to continue with the registration process. Click on the link in the verification email and fill in your application reference to continue. Here you will fill in your system details that you are registering the warranty for. All details can be found on your invoice or job card. You will need to select the system category and type any additional details like add-on accessories, installation date, serial number of the system, installer details, invoice number, and any comments related to the installation. Please note that the serial number is very important for the validity of the warranty registration, so please double-check that it is correct. Please click Save Details and Next to continue. This is where you need to upload your installation photos. The required photos are front, rear, and side views showing the element. The other pictures are optional but will help streamline the process in case of a warranty claim application. Once you are done, click Submit on the top of the page. If successful, you will be taken to a page that will show your application/registration number and other information of your submitted application. You will also receive an email confirming your application is submitted and awaiting approval. Please take note of the application/registration number in case you need to reference the application. The application will then be sent to a customer service representative, and a response email will be sent back to you on the outcome of the warranty registration. That concludes the walkthrough of our new warranty registration process. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.